Did you know that you can restore your body's health using only your feet? Let's do a simple ancient practice right now. First, stand flat and start gently raising your heels up and down. This activates blood circulation immediately. You can even do this while sitting down. It makes it much easier for beginners, but stays just as effective for your veins. This routine easily replaces running and jumping, making it a perfect low-impact health hack for your joints. Now, lift your toes up and spread them as wide apart as you can. Hold it. This wakes up important nerve endings connected to your organs. Next, try moving from side to side like a skier, shifting your weight. Finally, let's use a tennis ball. Place it under your foot and roll it firmly from your toes to your heel. Massage the inner arch deeply. Press down on the active Su-Jok points to relieve tension and boost your life energy instantly. Keep rolling it back and forth to activate your whole body. This incredible technique stimulates thousands of nerve endings in your feet, improving your health every single day. If you want to get the full list of these 36 ancient healing exercises, click the link in the description below and subscribe to our channel right now. Next exercise. If you want to prolong your life, remember that everything starts with your feet. Do these exercises daily because your total body health relies on your lower limbs. You can easily do this routine right in your bed without even getting up. This makes it super convenient, but the effectiveness remains incredibly high. Now, pull your toes forward and stretch them tightly. Hold this tension to wake up the deep muscles. Next, use your hands to firmly pull your toes back toward your body. This active stretch perfectly opens up your energy channels, improves your lymphatic flow, and instantly relieves accumulated stress from your feet. Let's do a deep twist. Take your foot and gently rotate it to develop flexibility in your joints. Repeat the exact same twisting movement on your second foot. After that, start clapping the soles of your feet together, or use your hands to firmly slap your feet. This powerful stimulation wakes up every single organ. Now, thoroughly massage every single toe on your foot. Rub them firmly from the base to the tip. This ancient self-massage technique is incredibly effective and productive for your nervous system. Make sure to gently spread the spaces between your toes to release trapped tension and boost circulation. Finally, let's fix your big toe and gently pull it up. Do this very carefully and smoothly on both feet. This specific movement instantly stretches your deep tendons and improves your balance. By activating these major points, you stimulate brain activity and release tension from your neck and spine. Use this amazing routine every single day so you never lose your youth and life energy. This simple habit will completely ruin your insomnia and clean your mind after a stressful day. Massage these points every evening before sleeping to get the maximum results for your nervous system. Subscribe to our channel right now so you never miss these ancient health secrets. Share this valuable video with your friends to help them stay strong too. Thank you for watching and stay healthy. There are 2 magic movements to completely get rid of that painful bunion on your foot. Let's do the first motion right now. Take your 2 fingers, firmly grip your big toe, and start stretching it out. We need to massage this area thoroughly in both directions, rotating it slowly. Work this point deeply to release the joint pressure. Now, look closely at this inner side of the foot. We need to work this specific area with our fingers. It might feel a bit painful or sensitive at first, but don't worry, that is a great sign. It means the blocked energy and blood flow are finally waking up. Keep pressing until the sharp pain dissolves into pleasant warmth. Let's move to the second movement. Take your big toe and firmly pull it backward toward your body. Hold it tightly and fix it in this position. Try to hold this heavy stretch for 10 to 15 seconds, depending on your comfort level. If it hurts too much, just start with 5 seconds and slowly build up your strength. Release it slightly and then pull it back again. This deep tendon line directly connects your big toe to the heel spur area. By doing this exercise, you instantly relieve plantar fasciitis and cure heel pain. Now, take your hands and massage the entire bony structure of the foot to restore total flexibility. To finish this effective routine, firmly slap your sole several times. After that, take your knuckles, make a tight fist, and start pressing deeply into the center of your foot. Massage this area with strong, circular movements to activate your deep fascia. This powerful pressure instantly stimulates thousands of reflex points connected to your liver, stomach, and heart. You will immediately feel intense, pleasant heat flowing up your legs, melting away all the stress and tiredness of the day. Make sure to subscribe to our channel right now so you never miss these ancient health secrets. In the next video, we will fully reveal the ultimate actions for total feet recovery. Thank you so much for watching. Share this with friends and stay healthy.